Todavía no. Yeah. Got a set of spare. I don't think this is a spare. I think this is for the high mow. Try to focus here. Yep. So we're unboxing the Ego self-propel 21-inch select cut. Right, I'm excited. I'm excited to see this button for the tube. Alright, I want to see this. That's our rapid charger. Alright, rapid charger. We got another set of blades. I think this is a different kind. Let's set this here for a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, nice. Right. Choose which ones we're gonna do based on the needs are. So here for now, that's right in here. Alright. Got the battery right in here. Got the bad boy. Sorry guys, I don't have a tripod and I'm just filming this with my iPhone. So bear with me please. Sorry. Alright. Nice. Ego 56 volts, 7.5 ampere lithium ion battery. Yep. 25% or less charge up to code. Alright. What else we got in here? Okay. So this is the frame for the bag. Alright, what else? So this is cardboard protection, that's the bag. Ego. I'm gonna set this bad boy up shortly. And here it is. Ooh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Just picked this up from Lowe's. Retailed for $750. I'm located in Los Angeles, California. There's a Memorial Day sale going on. Not sure how much the percentage is, but I got this for $700. I'm sorry, $600. So there was a $150 off discount. And if you live in Los Angeles County, like I do, there's a rebate program by the local government where if you turn in a gas-powered lawnmower, you'll get up to $250 rebate check from the local government. So I got this for $600 before tax. I'm gonna return a gas engine old lawnmower, which will give me up to $250. I have seen, I'm not sure how that works, but most of the People that have done this have received between $200 and $250 check rebate. So if I get $200 back, that'll be 600 minus 200, 400 bucks, between $400 and $350 for this beauty, if you live, again, in Los Angeles County. All right, let's see. I'm not sure if I should try to break the box or just try to pick this thing up. I'm not sure how it's not that heavy actually. So I might just be able to pick it up. I'm just gonna set the phone on the side. Again, this is the first video I ever make. I don't have a tripod, so bear with me. Just pick this up. It's actually not that heavy. Just take this to the side. I'm gonna see the blades. I'm curious to see that. Okay, so this is the mulching, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, nice. We got some okay, the blades are sharp, decently. I think I might have to switch my mulching blades. As I won't be mulching. I will be picking up my clippings. So that's it. Let's bring this bad boy down. Now I'm just recording the unboxing of my new lawnmower. Ooh, look, I've never had one of the. I mean, I have a Ryobi, which is electric as well, but I've never had an Eagle. And so you push this lever. Oh, look at that! Handle comes up. It's nice, and I think you open up these two clamps. Push this up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And you can adjust the height too. So that's nice. I think, if I'm not mistaken, there's positions. Oh yeah. So you could see, you can change the height of the levers. It's different angles. I think it's got medium, low. Yeah, it does have. It has low, medium, and high, and of course folded. So I think it really depends. I think. Okay, so this is the high position. I don't know if you guys can see, but for reference, I have this post right here, right under my porch. That's the height of the handle. When they're on the up position, high position they call it here, medium position, slightly lower. Let me go behind the mower. For reference, guys, my height is I'm 5'6" tall, just for reference. So this is at the medium high position, and the handles are fully extended. If I were to put this in the lower position, I think this might be too low for me. Medium, high. High position is not too bad, although I think the medium for me works best. Got the handles right here. All right. We got some height adjustments. If I'm not mistaken, based on the descriptions, I think this one it's got 7 different settings or height positions. I think the lowest, which is 1, being about an inch. I think this might be. I need to check actually. I don't want to give away wrong information, but I think position number 2 might be about an inch and 3/4, if I'm not mistaken, or inch and a quarter. Position number 3, I know it's about inch and a half, so on and so forth, all the way up to 4 inches high, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, let's take a look here. So we got the brochure. Okay, shows you how to start the machine. Pretty cool, some information. Save this. Move this cardboard to the side. And there you go. That's it. Ego. 60 minutes of runtime, 7 pounds of torque. Alright. We can get rid of this now. Try to take that apart. We'll get this shortly. Okay, that's for the bag will be. If you want to pick up your. Okay, so if you want to pick up your clip, you just want to remove this. Put your bag, of course. Alright, I'm just gonna put the battery, do a quick test run. Alright. There you go. Alright. Just right here. Focus. Right. So to start, so the instructions are here. So to start, bring this down. This is the speed. I put the off speed. Let's see if sorry guys, I'm gonna have to put the phone away again. I don't have a tripod or anything. Nice, so I figured it out. So first thing you want to do is I'm gonna push the lever. No, actually, I'm gonna press this button, push this lever. If you want to use the self-propel, you want to press this, adjust the speed, you can adjust the view. You're going to go low, push this, you go. It's awesome. That is awesome, guys. And there you have it. I just want to do a quick unboxing on this Eagle 21-inch select cut multi-blade system. Pretty cool. I'm not sure what you guys think. Would you pay retail $750 for this piece of equipment? I got mine for $600. They got a sale going on because of Memorial Day holiday weekend at my local Lowe's. I think it's also nationwide, but don't quote me on that. Plus, I'm applying for a rebate because I live in Los Angeles County, California. So there's a rebate that could give me up to $250 check, cash in this case, if I return a gas engine mower. I do happen to have a gas engine mower laying around, so I'm gonna take it back to one of those select, not sure if those are dealers or, but anyways, there's a list of places where I can return it, fill out the paperwork, and I should be able to get up to $250 back. So I'm happy with my purchase. I think I'll be saving at the end with the rebates and everything about 55 to 60% off total retail price. Cool, there you have it. Thank you for watching.